So what we're trying to do here is to really build a lineage. And so what we've done is create a phone that from a distance is going to be clearly identifiable as one product. So it's an icon that's been established in the market, and we want to continue that. But if you come up close to it, you're going to notice all the subtle details that we've evolved. This is how we see a good franchise working out, where you take an icon and you keep refining the things that need to be refined. You don't overhaul the basic gesture, the fundamental expression of the phone, if you don't have to, if it's really, really good. And so what we've done is to look at a lot of different aspects of the phone's areas that could be improved. So the M7 got a lot of accolades for its precision aesthetics, and then the M8 got a lot of accolades for being really comfortable in the hand, but people tended to lose it a little bit too easily, including myself. I dropped mine too many times. And so what we did with M9 is really to combine the best of both worlds. We were able to take the sort of crisp edge of M7 and that precision look, and then also add the softness of M8 and create a product that really is going to feel great in the hand.
So can you tell us a little bit about the manufacturing process and how that has changed between the One M8 and the One M9?
Yeah, the manufacturing has evolved quite a bit actually. We're not making things easier on ourselves. You can see how our just the pure machining time, for instance, for our main unibody has gone from 150 minutes on the original M7 all the way to 300 minutes on M9. And that's because we're doing a much more complex process. This is a kind of an industry first, is we're doing a dual anodization on the main housing. So we wanted to show off different qualities of the metal, but we also didn't want to introduce multiple parts on the phone because of course we're well known for our unibody. And so what we've done is the whole process gets done twice over. The anodization, the machining, and then the finishing.
So we've seen the iPhone 6, the new Galaxy S6, and your new device all have cameras that protrude slightly from the body. Do you think that's a new trend that's developing?
Well, a lot of being a designer is about making trade-off, especially in the smartphone space, because we have a limited real estate that we can work with, and so every item has to be considered very, very carefully. As you go bigger sensors, everybody wants to have a great camera on their phone, so as you go bigger with the sensors, you inevitably come up to certain limitations, and I think we're willing to make that sacrifice right now, is to have a little bit of a bump. I would say our bump is minimal and it's elegant, and there's sort of a limit to how much we would be willing to grow over the rest of the product. Everything is driven by the same design philosophy. You know, we have a global design team. We're not sort of separated into these insular organizations. And so everything is driven by a dedication to simplicity, you know, removing elements that could be between you and the technology, and then also honesty to the material, and you know, a dedication to the craft. So I think a product like Grip, it's not an all-metal unibody product. It wouldn't make any sense there. So we really picked the right kind of high-quality plastics that are going to feel great on your wrist, and then that don't compete with your watch if you're wearing one. You know, I think it's really important that we keep our heritage, we keep our lineage, but every time we start a new design process, we forget about all of it and we jump way outside of it. And so I can tell you, you're going to be seeing some really exciting things coming and some unexpected things as well.